Hello students, hope you all are well. Let us start our next video. Next video on the basis of 12th accounts, elements of accounts, part 1 of standard 12. Before this video, the last video I taught you one illustration as well as the one exercise. Now every video I will do like that, one illustration, and like that same illustration one question from your exercise. So try to understand what I am telling. On the basis of that also you follow. All of you know the 6th chapter is going on, and the illustration and exercise what I selected, that is different type of illustrations as well as the exercise, where the hard type of adjustments are given like that illustration and exercise. So let me start the illustrations 20 of page number 241. I want to repeat, page number 241 of illustration 20, that is 6th chapter, retirement or death of the partners is going on. Let me read the questions, you follow that one. The Karan, Fenil and Farisad are the partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of their capital. Profits and losses ratio according to their capital ratio. The capital it is given 2 lakh, 1 lakh 20, 80. If you find out the ratio, you will get 20:12:8, which is 5:3:2. This is their profit and loss sharing ratio and capital ratio are same. The balance sheet of the firm as on 31st/3/2017 was as under. What is given? Creditors, workmen compensation reserve, D, employees profit sharing fund, provident fund, capital K, F and F. This side goodwill, all of you know D, lantern building, patent, machines, debtors, less bad debt reserve, 35 minus 5 is equal to 30, stock, bank. These are the asset sides and these are the liability sides. In asset side you got 1D and in liability side you got 1D. D means distributions. This amount we have to distribute to the partners capital account. Now let me read the adjustment. And when you read the adjustment, I told several times that you will mark it, that which adjustment will affect with whom. That first returns on the above date, partner decided the following terms of retirement. Number 1, the new profit and loss sharing ratio of K and F. This is old ratio. But the new profit and loss sharing ratio of Karan and Fenil is 2:3. On the basis of that, we have to find out the gaining ratio. So this is gaining ratio calculation करने के लिए first adjustment is given. Second one, goodwill of the firm is to be valued at rupees 80,000. This is firm's goodwill. According to that, who is going, that Faryad is getting, Farsid is going. So according to that, his ratio, he will get the amount of the goodwill, and who is gaining this, that they will sacrifice. Matlab goodwill, his capital account will be debit, and who is going, his capital account will be credit. Paid rupees 60,000 for the patent during the current year, which is for the total 4 years. The patent it is 60,000, which is given in the asset sides. This amount is for 4 years. So that is divided by 4 means 15,000. 15,000 this year you have to show the expense. So this will affect the revaluations account and patent account. Machinery is to be depreciated by 10%. This will affect revaluations account and machinery account. Several times I told you understands. Bad debt on debtors is to be written of 3,000. That is revaluations account and debtors account. 20,000 is to be paid to Farsid. Farsid को 20,000 पेमेंट करना है. That is cash account and that is capital account. Market value of the stock is 54,000. That is revaluations account and stock account. This is the total adjustment. And one more adjustment, it is the next page it is given. That is the most important adjustment, that new firm total capital will be equal to the total capital of the old firm. Total capital old firm it was 4 lakh. Old firm total capital was 4 lakh. New बैलेंस शीट में दोनों का कैपिटल भी 4 होना चाहिए. दिस इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दैट. न्यू फार्म टोटल कैपिटल विल बी इक्वल टू द टोटल कैपिटल ऑफ द ओल्ड फार्म. Total amount should be the same. The entire capital of the new firm is to be kept in the new profit and loss sharing ratio. According to the new profit and loss sharing ratio, the existing partner should have the capital closing balance of K and F. All the necessary adjustments are to be made through the bank. For that, if any amount has to be bring or has to be taken, that they have to adjust it. We have to prepare the revaluations account, capital account, bank account, balance sheets after the retirement of first seed. Now, adjustment first we will do the revaluations account, but when you will do the revaluations account, that time I told you we will go through the adjustment, because adjustment one by one I have already written the revaluations account. Here the third one, fourth one, fifth one and seventh one. Third, fourth, fifth and seventh. The third one, paid rupees 60,000 for patent during the current year, which is for total 4 years. So that means here you are getting patent 60,000. This is for 4 years. Means this year 15,000. Patent 15,000. You are getting here debit 15,000. First effect. And second effect, it will go to the balance sheets, asset sides. The patent you are getting 45. That means 60,000 minus 15,000 is equal to 45,000. The second one, goodwill of the firm is to be valued at rupees 80,000. 80,000 is the goodwill that revaluations account we are doing. The fourth one, machinery is to be depreciated by 10%. Machinery you are having how much? 80,000. That is depreciated by 10% means 8,000. So to machinery 8,000, and here machinery to that is 8,000 is less. That means 72,000. Next, you are getting the third, fourth and fifth. Bad debt of debtors is to be written up rupees 3,000. Bad debt, it is already deducted 5,000, but now they are telling that it should be 3,000. That means 2,000 bad debt extra you have done. So that is no need required. So it is coming in the opposite side. If bad debt is increasing, it will come debit side. If bad debt is decreasing, it will come in the credit sides. And the second effect, it will go to the debtors. This is debtors actually how much you are having? 35. They are 35 minus 5 is equal to 30. Now it is 35 minus 3 is equal to 32. Next, the sixth is not there. 7th, market value of the stock is 54. Stock you are having how much? Stock you are having 53. Now they are telling it should be 54. Matlab 1,000 stock will be more. So it is your income. So this is stock is increased by 1,000. So I already told, according to your adjustment, you are having 4 revaluations account. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So my revaluations account is over. See 1, 2, 3, 4. And if you find out the balance, you will get 20,000. And this 20,000 according to the which ratio? The old ratio, that is 5:3:2. This is 5:3:2. That means 10,000, 6,000 and 4,000. Revaluations account is over. Now we will go to the partners capital account and bank account. Partners capital account, first we will write the balance. Balance of the capital account, which is coming 2 lakh, 1 lakh 20 and 80. That is 2 lakh, 1 lakh 20 and 80 is the opening balance. And cash account opening balance you are getting how much? 40,000. That is cash or bank account are same. These two balance first we will write it. After that we will start from the top, balance sheets, because balance sheet distributions is there. First distributions work we will complete, then we will come here where the capital account is affecting. Workman compensation reserve, nothing is given in the adjustment, so full amount we will distribute. That is 12,532. Workman compensation reserve, that is how much? Workman compensation reserve is 12,000. See, workman compensation reserve is 12,000. That is 6,000 and 3,600 and 2,400. 5:3:2 ratio it is distributed. And next is coming the goodwill. Goodwill you are getting 40,000. 40,000 goodwill, 20,000, 12,000 and 8,000. 5:3:2 ratio it is distributed. So balance sheet nothing is there. Now we will come to the adjustment. According to that, one by one adjustment will come. First, the new profit and loss sharing ratio of K and F is 2:3. This is new profit and loss sharing ratio. From that you have to find out the gaining ratio. If you find out the gaining ratio, it is already calculated in the page number 243. Then you will find out that that is gain by F, matlab phenyl, it is the 3/10. Gain by F it is 3/10, whereas that is sacrifice by K is 1/10. Actually K is not leaving the business. Faryad is leaving the business, but due to the change of this new share, that phenyl is gaining 3/10 ratio. How 3/10? Now one is 1/10 and another one, his share is 2/10. But Faryad's share is 2/10. So 2/10 is equal to 3/10. That means phenyl is gaining 2/10 from Faryad and 1/10 from Karan. Understands? So the total goodwill of the business, it is given how much? 80,000. 80,000 goodwill, whatever it is given, that goodwill 3 part out of 10 part, which is coming 24,000. 24,000 goodwill amount that phenyl has to give, and this 24,000, that 1/10 of 80,000 that Karan will get, and 2/10 of 80,000 that Faryad will get. That means the phenyl's capital account will be debit to Karan's capital to Faryad capital. This is phenyl's capital account will be debit by rupees 24,000. Now you come it here. Phenyl capital account will be debit 24,000. See, phenyl capital account will debit 8,000 plus 16,000 is equal to 24,000. Actually journal is phenyl capital account debit to K, so K capital account credit by phenyl's capital. Similarly, once again phenyl's capital account debit to F, that is F's capital account credit by phenyl's capital. So this is over. Next is coming, that second is over. Third, that is the revolutions and patent, it will not go there. Fourth also not there. Fifth also not there. Sixth, cash and capital. 20,000 is to be paid to Farshid. Farshid को 20,000 पेमेंट दे देना है, तो Farshid will get the 20,000 cash. So Farshid capital account debit to bank. And here it is there, opening balance of the bank is 40,000 and Farshid को पेमेंट हो गया 20,000. Now we will come to the sixth point. Sixth point is telling the total capital, new firm total capital, because here it is already done, the still seventh is over. Now it is given the new firm total capital will be equal to the total capital of the old firm. The entire capital of the new firm is to be kept in the new profit and loss sharing ratio. Now question is there, total capital, how much it should be for this existing partner? 4 lakh, because old was 4, new should be also 4. And how much for K? K share is 2/5. So 2/5 of 4 lakh is equal to 1/60,000. We should have the K. And how much share for the F? F share is 3/5. 3/5 of 4 lakh is coming 2,40,000. That means Karan's capital, closing capital should be 1,60,000 and phenyl's closing capital should be 2,40,000. First you write it here, the 1,60,000 and 2,40,000, because these two the closing capital. Now question is there, if you find out the balance, you will find out that the Karan is having the extra money more than 1,60,000, because if you add these 3 and if you deduct these 2, you will get more than 1,60,000. Already he was having 24,000 more, so he will take it back. For that, the Karan's capital account debit to bank. Karan's capital account is debit to bank. The bank account credit by Karan's capital. And if you calculate the phenyl's capital, to become 2,40,000, Fenir has to bring here 1,58,400. He is having shortage, but he is having excess. So he is having excess 24,000. For that he will take, and he is having shortage. For that he will bring 1,58,400. 1,58,400, and you will find out the closing cash 1,54,400. Now balance sheets. Balance sheets, according to that, old balance sheet we will follow the new balance sheets. Old balance sheets, creditors 16,000, no change. Employees profit sharing fund 30,000, no change. There is no change. Provident fund 45,000, no change. And for its loan, and you are getting it here, the balance, if you find out the sheet, you will get 66,400, which is we have to pay. Malab, this two has to pay, but it is already transferred to the loans accounts. So for that it is coming his loans accounts. And the capital balance 1,60,000 and 2,40,000 is equal to 4 lakh, that is 5,57,400. This side, patent already you have done, machine you have done, debtors you have done, stock 54, because stock was increased by 1,000. So 53 plus 1, 54. Bank you are getting from closing balance. And the building, I think there is no change at all. So land and building, it is 54,000. So you are getting 5,57,400. This is the questions from I tried to make you understand from the illustration. I know that one illustration solution is there, questions also it is there. Even though some of the points like that, one or two points it is not possible to understand. For that I want to repeat this one. Once again you go through this. If any you have doubt, again you will tell me. I will tell you that I will clear your doubt. Like that illustrations, I want to do the one exercise sum, which is page number 268 to page number 268 of question number 10. The illustration just now what I taught you, like that illustrations, now I want to tell you same type of illustrations, so that both from the illustration as well as from the exercise if you are doing, and I think it will be clear for you. So let me read the page number 268 of question number 10. Same like that illustration just now what I taught you. Maybe slight difference is there, you follow it. D, J and Geeta, that is Deepa, Jyoti and Geeta are the partners, three partners sharing profits and losses in their capital ratio. Again it is given, it is capital ratio. Capital ratio it is given, that is 1 lakh, 1,50,000 and 1 lakh. That means you understand. So 1 lakh, 1,50,000 and 1 lakh. This is the capital ratio. Now 1 lakh, 1,50,000 and 1 lakh, that means 100, 150, that means 100, 150 and 100 is at the capital, and 31st 3/17 was as under the capital. This is 3,50,000. General reserve D, creditors 60,000, provident fund 32, goodwill D, land and building, trademark, stock, debtors, bank. These are the balance, and it is given the adjustment. What is given the adjustment? Adjustment is given that J return on the above date. The partner decided that the new profit and loss sharing ratio of D and G is, that is 1:1. Goodwill of the firm is 70,000. This is the goodwill which you have to calculate. That this adjustment will affect to the capital account. Okay, and you have to find out the what is called the gaining ratio. Second one, bad debt reserve on debtors is to be reduced up to 10%. This will affect the revaluations account and debtors account. Stock is to be shown in the books 25% more than the its cost. Stock is to be recorded at cost, that is revaluations account and stock account. 60,000 is paid for the trademark during the current year, which is for the total 6 years. This is revaluations account and trademark account. Liability of the provident fund is decided at rupees 35,000. Revaluations account, and that is provident fund account, that is PF. that is revaluations account and provident fund account. 6. Total capital of the new firm is to be kept and the total capital of the old firm, same like that previous illustration. Total capital is 3,50,000. Here also old is 3,50,000, new also you have to keep 3,50,000. And D and G will maintain their capital in their new profit and loss sharing ratio. New profit and loss sharing ratio is equal to 1:1. That means 3,50,000, for half of 3,50,000 capital should be D and half of 3,50,000 capital should be G. And for this purpose the difference is to be transferred to the current account. For that, whatever the adjustment you have to do, that you have to transfer to the current account. But previous illustration it was adjusted with the cash. Here you have to adjust with the current account. Prepare the necessary account and the balance sheets after the retirement. This I have done. I have already solved it. From that one I want to show it here, so it will be easy for you to making you understand. I will mark it by the red pen so that the amount one by one you will come to know. First we will do the revaluations account. I told you there revaluations account 1, 2, 3, 4. Four adjustments are there which will affect to the revaluations account. Number 1, the bad debt reserve on debtors is to be reduced up to 10%. Bad debt is how much you are having? Bad debt you are having here 40 and 6. 10% of 40,000 how much? 4,000. That means this 6,000 you make it a 4,000. That means how much is more you are having? 2,000 you are having more. This is the meaning of that. 10% of 4,000, 40,000 is equal to 4,000, but you are having 6,000, you are having 2,000 extra. So bad debt reserve, this is your profit side, this is your loss sides. So profit sides to bad debt reserve, sorry, by bad debt reserve, first effect. Second effect will go to the debtors. Now the next one, stock is to be shown at stock shown in the books 25% more than its cost. Acha, this is given stock. Stock is given how much? 50,000. But this is they are telling that is 25% more. That means this 50,000 is 125%. That you keep in mind. This simple meaning, very simple. This 50,000 is now 125%. You have to find out the how much is the 100%. Here I have given the calculations. This 50,000 is the 125%. So 125% is equal to 50,000 and 100% is equal to 40,000. That means stock was reduced by 10,000. This is that meaning of that stock. It was reduced by 10,000. First effect. Second effect will go to the stock sides. Next, 60,000 paid to the trademark during the current year, which is for the 6 years. So trademark you have given it here 60,000. Here you see there 60,000. That is for the 6 years. So per year is 10,000. So trademark it is expense debited. Second effect will go to the trademark. Next is coming liability for the provident fund is decided at 35. Provident fund it is how much it is given? 32. Now they are telling this is actually not 32, this is 35. That means your liability is increasing by 3,000. So your revaluations account will affect first effect and second effect will go to the provident fund when we will do the balance sheets. Now revaluations account I have seen it here 1, 2, 3, 4. These 4 places 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 revaluations account is over. And if you find out the balance you will get 21,000. That is 696 in this ratio. 696 ratio means 232. That you can say also 696 ratio. Well, 6,000, 9,000 and 6,000 according to the old ratio that you have to distribute. Now we will do the partners capital account. But I told you several times before doing the partners capital account, first we will write the balance of capital account, which you are getting 1 lakh, 1 lakh 50 and 1 lakh. Is not it? The balance of capital account first will write. Then what will write? Then you will write this balance. Otherwise you will forget it. This is 696 is your loss. So this coming here, the 6,000, 9,000 and 6,000. This balance it will come this side. If this balance is coming, it will go the that sides. After doing this, then where you will go? Then you will go to the balance sheets. Balance sheet, if any amount is left which you have to distribute, that you will do. One is general reserve is 28,000. See here, general reserve is 28,000. 8 plus 12 is equal to 20 plus 8. This is which ratio? That I already told, the old ratio. Next you are getting the goodwill. Goodwill you are getting 14,000. That also you distribute 4,000, 6,000 and 4,000. After doing up to this, then you come to the adjustment. Adjustment where capital account will affect, there you will do it. The 1 second I will go this all adjustment. Wherever the capital account will affect, there you will do. Number 1, the new profit and loss sharing ratio on D and P is to be kept 1:1. Goodwill of the firm is 70,000. 70,000 goodwill is there, and who is going out? That Jati is going out, and Jati's share is 3/7. So goodwill is Jati will get 3/7 of 70,000, which is 30,000. This is the calculation for the goodwill. How much goodwill he will get? He will get 3/7 of 70,000, which is coming 30,000. And this 30,000 who will give? That this remaining two partners will give in the equal ratio. Kyun? Now their gaining ratio is equal. Gaining ratio is 3/14, 3/14, which is coming 3:3, which is coming 1:1. If you find out the gaining ratio, you will find out the gaining ratio is equal. If gaining ratio is equal, the goodwill also they will give equally. 15,000, 15,000. So Jyoti will get 15,000 from D, Jyoti will get 15,000 from G. So this is credited and this 15,000, 15,000 is debited. Second adjustment is capital account not there. Third adjustment capital account is not there. Fourth adjustment capital account is not there. Fifth adjustment capital account is not there. Sixth adjustment capital account is there. Sixth adjustment, now you see this position in this capital account, everywhere we got the tick, and now we will find out the balance of first the J. J is going out Jati, and Jati's is total balance. If you find out, you will get 1,77,000, which it is transferred to his loan account. And now you have to calculate this is 1,75,000, 1,75,000. That how we are doing? Because total capital, closing capital, it should be D and J. D and J closing capital, it should be 3,50,000, and that is equal ratio 175, 175. So their closing capital, it should be 175, 175. To get the closing capital 175, that D has to bring that 92,000 and G also 92,000, and that is not cash they have brought. Current account, it is adjusted with the current account, so it is given here by current account. This is actually balance. This is also actually balance. To become the 175, 92 is coming the balance. To become the 175, 92 is coming the balance, but they are not bringing the cash. It is transferred to the current account. It is adjusted with the current account that is set. Okay. So current account you are getting here debit balance, because balance came in the credit, matlab this is actually CD balance, so it is coming in the debit balance, debit side balance. Debit side matlab it will go to the asset sides. See the current account asset side 92, 92, 184. Now what we will do? We will do the balance sheets. Balance sheet, we will follow the old balance sheet. According to that, what are the change is coming, and that we will do the new balance sheets. So balance sheet capital 175, 175, 175, 175, 350. Creditors, there is no change. Creditors 60,000, it is as it is 60,000. Provident fund, old is 32, but keep it in mind provident fund amount was change, that is 32,000 plus 3,000 is equal to 35,000. Here 3,000 is given, so it is 35,000. And Jyoti's loan is 177, that is you are getting from here. So this side is over, and now this side land and building 2,90,000, there is no change at all. Trademark it was change because it was old was 60, now trademark here 10,000 is reduced, so it is 50. Stock, it is change, stock 10,000 is reduced, 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. Debtors, it is change, previous it was 40 minus 6, now it is 40 minus 4 is equal to 36. Bank, I think there is no change of the bank balance. So this is the questions what I taught you, same like that previous illustration. Students, I want to tell you one illustrations you take from illustrations, and same type of exercise one question you take. For that it will be easy for you to understand what is given in these questions. So if you have any doubt, one by one all this amount I have explained it. Even though if you have any doubt, you can tell me at any time, and the things whatever I am telling you, which way I am telling you to solve this sum, if you follow this way, you will be able to do this sum within the short time. So I think you understood. Even if you have any doubt, you can tell me at any time. I will clear your doubt. So those who are getting or understanding my video, please like, share and subscribe it. Okay, bye.